Lemon could literally be called the king of your kitchen. Be it reversing your tan or fighting acne, lemons are the answer to any and everything. The citric acid inside lemon cuts through all the dandruff and removes it. Gives you a clear scalp. For this, all you need to do is mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with coconut oil and then massage the mixture into your scalp. The antibacterial properties of lemon help fight against acne and reduces their effects to a great extent. Make a concoction using cinnamon powder, honey and lemon juice. Use it as a spot treatment over your pimples and you will witness the difference for yourselves. If you're dealing with orange face, no problem. Mix the juice of 1 lemon and a tablespoon of gram flour and turmeric together in a bowl. Apply it on the face and then spend a few minutes waiting for it to dry before washing off. You will notice that you have a clearer and even skin tone. For oily skin beauties, if you face the issue of excess oil secretion on your face, rub a lemon onto your facial skin to get rid of all that grease. Mix several teaspoons of baking soda with enough fresh lemon juice to make a paste. Brush it with a dry toothbrush and leave the paste on for 1 minute. Lemon has antibacterial properties which gets you away with all the bad odor. So take the juice in a cotton pad and apply it on the underarm area. Do you have weak or brittle nails? Mix a small amount of lemon juice in a bucket along with water and sea salt in it and soak your nails for 10 minutes. Do this once a week and this will not only strengthen your nails but it will also cure any nasty discoloration too. Lemons can help shrink pores, so squeeze some fresh lemon juice in a small bowl along with baking soda and apply it directly onto the affected skin with a brush to get rid of all the blackheads. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like, share and subscribe and I will see you very soon. Bye.